and welcome to the exhibition Tech-Couture, Fashion in the Digital Age. Behind me are two works by Arlie Fontaine. These were works made as part of her senior project. She was trying to envision what spacesuits would look like on a foreign planet. There's a lot of science involved in her fashion designs. The work to my right has 3D printed pieces attached to the bodysuit. Those are those white hexagons you can see. And the work to my right features algae. So she used algae biosequence as well as an algae printing process. This exhibition is now on view at the Taubman Museum of Art.